from first class A to Z, each and every point already captured in this learning notes. Okay, who has missed the initial classes, I'll forward to them. No worries. Just to concentrate. So in last sessions, if you observe, we configured SAP, okay, we configured the organization structure, right? So we are implementing SAP for here feature group. So for that, first enterprise structure means company codes, business areas. Okay, we have configured it. And after that, okay, so we have to set up few more activities. Let us see one by one. So first, enterprise structure. Example, so company code, so yeah, this is Bajaj Group of authorities. So like this we implemented SAP settings. So company code, business areas, and after that we have mapped the company codes to company. Okay, fine. Now the next component is chart of accounts. So what is chart of accounts? So how it will help us to map our GL accounts? So you are going to understand in this session. So without GL account, can you capture financial data? No, right? Okay. So here let me give you an example. I would like to post on business transaction here. First concentrate, I'll give you time to write down all these points. For example, I want to post on business transaction in my company code. Food Bazaar, Big Bazaar, Feature Group companies. Okay, example. Office expenses account up to bank account. Like this, I would like to post on business transaction. Not only in SAP, in any software, without GL account, can you post this kind of business transactions in Tally, Oracle, any software? It is not possible, right? Each and every financial data record is captured in the GL account. GL accounts are used to capture all our financial records, right? Okay, so to post this transaction, we need GL codes. One separate GL code is required for office expenses purpose, and one separate GL code is required for bank purpose. Got it? So without GL account, you cannot post your transactions. First, let us see how the GL accounts are created. So the GL account, to create the GL accounts, first we have to have account groups. Account groups, nothing but group of similar accounts. You can create like liabilities, assets, revenues, expenses, like this. Or maybe still you would like to class or create subgroups. Example, current liabilities, share capital, residence of place, okay, secure loans, unsecured loans, assets wise, fixed assets, current assets, okay, like this. Okay, next expenses, administration expenses, selling expenses, traveling expenses, personal expenses, okay, manufacturing expenses. Like this, you can create it. So tomorrow, whenever you are going to create GL master record, right? For example, office expenses, you need to select the account group. For example, I would like to create the GL code. Okay, see here. Example, see here. I would like to create one GL code. For example, like this, one expenses code. To create this code, first you have to select here account group. The account group, okay, what type of GL account you are going to create? Office expenses. Then here you have to select here account group. Example, expenses. See, without account group, you cannot create this GL master records. Understand? See the mapping part. So first, without postings, to post this business transactions, we need GL codes. To create the GL codes, we need account groups. Understand? See here, while creating the GL code, any code you can enter here. Any code, we require account groups. Okay, so all these account groups are created. All these account groups are created under the chart of accounts. Means with reference to chart of accounts. So then finally, the chart of account is connected to our company code. So then what will happen? In that case, okay, in our company code, okay, in our company code, system will allow us to create the GL master records and post the transactions. Now you tell me, without chart of accounts, you cannot create your account groups. You cannot create your account groups. Without account groups, you cannot create your GL accounts. Without GL accounts, you cannot create your postings. You cannot post your daily day-to-day business transactions. Now you tell me, chart of accounts now important or not important? Balaji, Chakradhar.
It's important.
It's important, sir.
Important, sir.
Important.
Without GL accounts, without chart of account, you cannot form your GL account structure. Understand? It's a mandatory, not only in SAP. Any software GL accounts are mandate. Got it? So now here we are going to understand what is chart of accounts and how to form the chart of account structure, all these things. We are consultants, so we need to design all the account groups, okay, and chart of accounts, etc. Then users will be in position to create the respective GL master records under the respective account groups. Like this, we need to make our SAP system ready for our users to create master records and to post the transactions. See, user will create the master records in here in easy access screen. Before that, backend consultant will configure all the settings, account groups, chart of accounts, and the mapping part. Okay, we need to perform it. Okay, good. So, see here first. Write down our topic. Now you have understand the importance of the chart of accounts. Let me give you more details about this topic one by one. Okay, everyone, new joiners also. So please write down. Topic name is chart of accounts. If you want to leave 2-3 pages, you can leave it and write down. Topic name, chart of accounts. The chart of accounts. So Bhavan Prasad, write down. Topic name is chart of accounts.
Okay, sir.
So please make sure you have proper internet connection.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This. Who are joined now? Maybe I can see 2 more people here. After I took attendance, who are joined? Sindhu, yes. Okay, good. Don't move the classes somewhere. Chala. Write down. Topic name is chart of accounts. Write down the question. First, I'll give you more details about this topic. Then I'll start configuring the activities. Okay. So theory today's entire session. Okay. Please concentrate. Question. What is the chart of accounts? What is the chart of accounts? Write down the answer. It is nothing but a list of GL accounts. It is nothing but a list of GL accounts. Okay, it is nothing but list of GL accounts. Some people call it as a structure of GL accounts. A structure of GL accounts, which contains the attributes of GL master records. Which contains the attributes of GL master records. What kind of attributes it contains? Example here, like GL account language, GL account language, next, and length of GL account. And what is the length of GL account? Available in SAP. We have to specify that right now. These kind of attributes generally we do specify in chart of accounts. Right now. That is the definition. For if someone asks what is chart of accounts. So how it is a list of GL account is very simple. Now see here, the first chart of accounts. With reference to this, I will create the account groups. With reference to these account groups, I will create the GL accounts. Right? See here, under liabilities we have few accounts, under assets we have few accounts, under revenues we will create few accounts, and GL account, okay, expenses. See, all together is nothing but chart of accounts. See, chart of accounts. See, under chart of accounts only I am going to define the account groups. Under account groups I am going to create chart of accounts. So if I ask you what is chart of accounts, it's nothing but all the GL accounts together called as chart of accounts. Nothing but a list of GL accounts or a structure of GL accounts or a variant which contains the attributes of GL master records. See, liabilities will have few accounts, assets you will create few accounts, revenues you will create few, expenses you have few, all together is chart of accounts. Right? That's what here I told you. Chart of account is nothing but a list of GL accounts or a structure of GL accounts which contains the attributes of GL master records length, GL master records language, etc. Okay, next point. Next question. How many types of chart of accounts we have in SAP? How many types of chart of accounts we have in SAP? How many types of chart of accounts we have in SAP? Answer. There are three types. There are three types. Example, first one, operational chart of accounts. Practically, I'll show you in SAP system. No worries. First, write down all the points theoretically. Okay, if there are any concerns, all will be cleared during the execution in SAP system. Okay, write down the theory. This kind of cross questions you will be asked in entire point of view. What is chart of account? How many types of chart of accounts? And what is important, which is not required? Okay, all these things. So please maintain the notes properly. There are three types of chart of account. One is operational chart of accounts. Second one is group chart of accounts. Third one is country specific chart of accounts. When I say chart of accounts, nothing but list of GL accounts here. Keep this point in mind. All the GL accounts together called as chart of accounts. So chart of account is very, very important to create GL master records. So I know. So there are three types of chart of account. One is operational chart of accounts, group chart of accounts, and country specific chart of accounts. One by one, let me explain in detail way what is operation chart of account, what is group chart of account, whether it's required or not required. Put heading here. Operational chart of accounts. Operational chart of accounts. Maintain the notes properly, the same structure. Don't make any mistakes. Operational chart of accounts. See, operational chart of accounts means, see, each and every organization. Okay. Example, feature group, we are implementing SAP. Okay, in feature group, how many company codes we created? Food Bazaar, Big Bazaar, Ezone, okay, Hometown, like this multiple company codes we created, right? Okay, each and every company code we have to post the transactions. Before going to post the transactions, GL master record is important, right? So now you tell me, each and every organization, chart of account, each and every organization sense company code, each and every company code, chart of account is important or not important? So you told me important. So that is called operational chart of accounts. The one which is required, okay, for each and every company code to create GL accounts is called operational chart of accounts. Okay, now let me give you the definition. Write down. To operate daily day-to-day business transactions, each company code must require one chart of accounts. Otherwise, without chart of account, you cannot create account groups. Without account groups, you cannot create GL accounts. Without GL accounts, you cannot post transactions. Then what is the use? So, to operate daily day-to-day business transactions, each and every company code must require one chart of accounts, which is called as an operation chart of accounts. Write down this. To operate daily day-to-day business transactions, each company code must require one chart of accounts, which is called as an operational chart of accounts. Mandate to operate, to run daily day-to-day business transactions. To operate daily day-to-day business transactions, each company code. So whatever company code you created yesterday, FP01, Big Bazaar, FP02, Food Bazaar, like this, right? Each and every company code posting cheyalante compulsory chart of accounts required. Write down one more additional line. The usage of operation chart of account. Usage of the operation chart of accounts. Usage of the operation chart of account is mandatory. Usage of the operation chart of account is mandatory. Compulsory. Without operation chart of account, you cannot create account groups. Without account groups, you cannot create GL accounts. Without GL accounts, you cannot post transactions. That's how it is designed. So, okay. Now, example, if you want, you can write down this example. How you write down, first step by step, first one down, okay, one step up, one step down, okay, one step here down, like this you write down. Sorry, write down please. See, a company code. So okay, so first write down, okay, like this. First one step down, okay, one step down, one step down, okay, next equal. Just hierarchy wise write down it. Just office expenses, okay, example, or electricity expenses, or station expenses, any GL account, or inventory to, like a bank, whatever it is. The codes you can create with any number. I'll tell you how to create it. Let's write on this example. Don't write side by side. Okay, one step down. చూడు ఇక్కడ ఇది ఒక లైన్ below the line. ఒక స్టెప్ డౌన్ చూడండి. Step down. Okay. Right up like this. అలాగే రాసుకోవచ్చు. లైన్ రాసుకోవచ్చు. లైన్కి లింక్ up step down. Okay, let me know once you are done. Structure point of view I should be here. You know, need to write down, but just mapping. Sorry. Okay, let me know once you are done. Okay. Okay, now here you understood the importance of chart of accounts. Okay, na? Good. So operation chart of account is mandatory. Without operation chart of accounts, right? So account groups cannot be created. Without account groups, GL accounts cannot be created. Without GL accounts, okay, postings cannot be created. So means to run daily day-to-day business transactions, we require GL codes. Actually, the GL codes are created with reference to account groups. Okay, all these account groups are created with reference to chart of accounts. And finally, the chart of account will be mapped to our company codes. So in this company code, successfully we can create GL accounts and post the transactions with reference to chart of accounts. In case without chart of account groups cannot be created. Without account group, GL accounts cannot be created. Without GL accounts, postings cannot be done. That's the main objective of the the operational chart of accounts. That's why I told you here. To operate daily, day-to-day postings, business transactions, each company code must require some chart of accounts. That is called as an operational chart of accounts. The usage of operation chart of account is compulsory, mandate, required. Okay, done. Successfully done. Next one is, I'll show you how to do this. Actually, this is enough. You can go and create it. But knowledge-wise, or maybe you're working as consultants, right? You should understand all the functions and features of SAP. So let us learn the other component. Group chart of accounts. Why it is required? In which cases it is required? What it is? Okay, let me explain it. Even if you don't use it also, but knowledge-wise, learn it and leave it. No problem. But this is mandate. I'm going to show you how to create this chart of account in SAP system. Okay, I already told you that today practical. Okay, today completely theoretical explanation. So all these things I'm going to show you in SAP system. Okay, practically. Then all your doubts will be addressed. So please concentrate. Don't worry. Next one is group chart of accounts. The second chart of account is type of chart of account is group chart of accounts. Group chart of accounts. First of all, what is the use of group chart of account? For what purpose it is required? Okay, let us see here. Generally, write down. Generally, the group chart of account is required for consolidated financial reporting purpose. Generally, the group chart of accounts is required for consolidated reporting purpose. Only for consolidated financial reporting purpose it is required. Right. Consolidated reporting purpose. Where we do, so where the company codes. See, from now onwards, I would write company codes like this. CO code means company code. Okay, na? Don't get confused. Whenever I say, whenever I write down like this, it means company code. Company code would be written like this, henceforth in the notes. So please observe. Okay, where the company codes under the same company, under the same group, under the same company, following different operational chart of accounts. Following different operational chart of accounts. Operational chart of accounts. Right now, the usage of group chart of account is completely optional. The usage of group chart of accounts is completely optional. The usage of group chart of accounts is completely optional. Okay, where all the company codes use the same operation chart of accounts. Okay, where all the company codes use the same operational chart of accounts. Same operational chart of accounts. Same operational chart of accounts. So example I'll show you here. Okay, example here I'm going to give you two options. For example, feature group, right? As per our example, we'll go ahead. feature group. Don't write, first concentrate, I'll give you time to write down. So here, feature group. In feature group, I have two company codes, FT01. This is for Big Bazaar. Another company code is FT02. I created as Food Bazaar. Like this, there are two legal entities. In my definitions, I have given, okay, keywords I have mentioned here. Just understand this example. Don't write. Okay, I will give you time to write down. If you understand the examples, it would be very easy to map in SAP system. Please concentrate. Like this here. Okay, like this here. This is one company. This company is having multiple company codes. Example, Big Bazaar, Food Bazaar, like this, Hometown, okay, other like this. Okay, good. Okay, here I already told you, each company code must have a chart of accounts code. Each company code must require some chart of accounts. Otherwise, GL accounts cannot be created, right? In Big Bazaar and post the transactions. Same way, FT02, Food Bazaar. Even for this company code also requires one chart of accounts. But SAP recommends you, Vasu, follow the same operation chart of accounts for all the company codes. Okay? E company code list of accounts, E company code list of accounts, same follow on. Then it will be very easy for you to get consolidated, okay, reporting all these things. Okay, example, see here, in this company code, it requires one chart of accounts. Here it requires one chart of accounts. But company decided to follow same operation chart of account code, same operational chart of account code across all the company codes. So in this case, you know what will happen? For example, let's create inventory accounts. This is a GL code, I would create it. Example, same account will be created in this company code also, inventory. Later, assume I have posted 15,000 rupees to this GL account in this company code. Okay, and here I would post 25,000 rupees, example, to the GL account in this company code. Okay, so if you would like to see the financial statements now, example, there is separate code is there in SAP system. This is financial statement, where you can see here P&L statement to balance sheet. Okay, so while executing this report, this is my chart of account code. See here, this is my chart of account code. F201 is my company code. And this is my GL code, 200, 100. Example. Okay, if I execute it, example, okay, after creating all the settings and postings, if I execute it, can anyone tell me how much amount system will display? Don't write, I'll give you time to write. Please concentrate and try to understand the examples. Okay, tell me with this combination and execute it, tell me how much amount system will display it.
Total of both might be
15,000.
See here, clear guy. Okay, I have mentioned, right? FT01 okay, company code and okay, chart of account and next GL account. See, mode combination ichchadu. The company code clearly mentioned, then execute it. Then how much amount system will display it?
15.
15,000 rupees. Clear, right? Okay, so now I can generate here individual financial statements. The company code సంబంధించిన financial statements separate గా prepare చేసుకొని చూసుకోవచ్చు. Okay, same way, another company code. Okay, example. This is also following same chart of account to same GL code. Okay, another company code. And if I execute it, assume, tell me how much amount system will display?
25,000.
25.
So now I can prepare my
Bro, we are unable to hear your voice.
Yes, Vasant. Your voice is not coming.
Vasant, we can't hear you.
Sir, your voice not getting, sir.
Hello, Vasant, we can't hear you, Vasant.
He says 1 minute.
Okay.
Sir, your voice is not hearing, sir.
That is what he is saying, man. He is telling to wait for 1 minute.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Vasant. Yeah, hello.
Yeah, now
Okay.
We can hear you.
Yes, Vasant. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Fine. Good. Let us start. I don't know what happened suddenly. Okay, clear? See here, I am asking, how will you see the consolidated report? So in this case, since we followed same chart of accounts, same GL code, if I specify same chart of accounts, same GL code, without specifying any company code, and execute it, then tell me how much amount will be displayed. Both together, right? 40,000 rupees.
40.
Correct? Yes. So in this case, it is very easy to prepare individual financial statements and as well as consolidated financial statement with this combination and the chart of accounts, okay, and GL account combination. That's because when you follow same chart of accounts across all the company codes, of course, GL account also will be same in all the company codes. For example, inventory 200, 100, 200, 500, they will not create like that. They will create same GL account. Okay. So then it is very easy to prepare individual financial statement, consolidation financial statements. So in this instance, no, actually we don't require group chart of accounts. Generally, we don't require. We require the chart of a group chart of account where the company codes following different operation chart of accounts, different operation chart. But in this case, option 1 low. Okay, here both decided to follow single operation chart of account, the same operation chart of accounts. So in that case, we don't require group chart of account concept. But in which cases it is required? Okay, I will explain you. So please write down this example. Okay, దీన్ని సెంటర్ చేసి రాసుకొని సైడ్ లో నేమ్స్ కావాలంటే చేసుకో. ఇది ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ కంపెనీ. దిస్ ఈస్ కంపెనీ కోడ్, జస్ట్ రెఫరెన్స్ పర్పస్. Okay, this is chart of account code key, and this is my GL code. This is amount. Okay, like this. So then you page center la raskondi. Okay, so please write down this example. So like this, if you have multiple company codes and decided to follow same operation chart of account, right, in your organization, then we don't require group chart of account concept. Group chart of account is completely optional. Each company code must record one operational chart of account. Operational chart of account separate kind of follow outunte, then only we require this for consolidation purpose. If they decide to follow same operational chart of account in all the company codes in the group, not required. I will show you in SAP system how to create all. So please write down here theory interview questions completely. See how many questions would be faced on this topic. Like this. Follow my notes. Spoon pudding level it is prepared. Sorry. Let me know once you are done. Then I will show you option 2. New joiners, please write down. You didn't miss any class. Only 2 classes. I would cover it by Saturday, Sunday.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Sir,
Hello.
once we GL accounts, I can't understand this one.
ఏ అర్థం కాలేదు?
Yes, sir. GL account.
Right. Example just రాసుకో. Next example కవర్ అవుతుంది. First write down this example. ఇన్వెంటరీ రా మెటీరియల్ అకౌంట్ ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఇన్వెంటరీ రా మెటీరియల్ అకౌంట్, లేకపోతే ఐసిఐసి బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్, లేకపోతే ఓకే బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్, క్యాష్ అకౌంట్, ఎనీ జిఎల్ అకౌంట్ యూ కెన్ టేక్. హియర్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ ఐ హావ్ టేకెన్ ఇన్వెంటరీ రా మెటీరియల్ అకౌంట్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ write down and let me know once you are done. In option 2 I will explain it, so your doubt will be addressed. Still not clear, let me know. Let me know once you're done.
This was done.
Okay, good. Okay, so in option 1, what did you do here is all company codes in feature group decided to have same operational chart of accounts. When they decide, okay, to use same chart of account, GL accounts also will be created with the same numbering. Okay, in all the company codes. For example, here I have taken inventory raw material account. Okay, so inventory raw material account they have to create this GL code. In this company also they have to create the same code. Okay, when you post the inventory value, so for example, invoice example 15,000 rupees in this company code to the GL account. In this company code to the GL account, you have posted this much amount. In case if you want to see how much inventory is there in this company code and this GL account, and this amount will be displayed. In this company code, with the GL code, if you execute the report, system will display this much amount. In case total inventory in all the company codes, example, if you want to see, then you can give this combination. So then same chart of account to same GL account kabatti, system will display the consolidated value 40,000. Okay, in this case, what I'm saying is we don't require group chart of accounts because all company codes in feature group decided to use same operation chart of accounts kabatti avasam ledhu. Okay, in case option 2. Okay, option 2. I will tell you first, don't write. I'll give you time to write down. Okay, same here it is, feature group, right? The example was okay, prepared with ITC group, no problem. Anta feature group here, and company code here is FT01. Example here, Big Bazaar. Next, FT02, Food Bazaar. So like you don't write anything, just concentrate. Like this, I have two company codes in my group. My client decided want to follow separate operational chart of account keys. The example, e company code ke XX00 chart of account key they would like to follow. In this company code, they would like to follow YY00. Example, any 4-digit alphanumerical key on my chart of accounts. Okay, they wanted to follow here separate list of accounts and here separate list of accounts. For example, same inventory raw material account. In this instance, they would create here 400, 200, 130. Okay, they will create one GL account for inventory raw material account purpose. There is no rule you have to follow the same number or different number. Okay, so even the same number also, but chart of account is unique property, so it is not a matter. So, but here they do follow separate GL code for inventory raw material account. Okay, understand? Assume in this company code, assume to this GL account, I have posted here 15,000 rupees, so 20,000 rupees, etc. In this company code, to the GL master record, assume I have posted 25,000 rupees. Okay, in case if you want to see the reporting, yeah, XX00, 200, 100, and FT01 is the report values, and execute it. Then tell me, system will display 15,000 rupees. Okay, Mahesh, 15,000 rupees amount will be displayed it because this is the amount I have posted for my inventory in this GL company code. So 15,000 rupees. In case if you want to see the report for this company code, YY00, and here 200, 200, and company code FT02, and execute it. Then how much amount will be displayed here? 25,000 rupees.
2,000.
So it is, yes. Hello? Okay, go to mute. Okay, your doubt will be addressed. If not, then I'll give you time to ask. See here. So in this case, system will give you here 25,000 rupees. Okay, fine. Successfully, I can prepare here individual financial statements. Okay, na? There is no any issue here. But understand, I want to prepare consolidated statement. Then what is the common key here? In last time, all are following same GL accounts, so same chart of accounts. Easy, we can get this amount. But in the option 2, tell me, where is the common key here between these two company codes? They see chart of accounts different too, GL accounts different. Then how you can get consolidation here? It is very difficult, right? That's why I told you here. Generally, The group chart of account concept is required for consolidated purpose. In which cases, where all the company codes under the same company following different operation chart of accounts. Okay, here see. In this case, all the company codes in the same company following different chart of accounts. See here, different operation chart of accounts. And this company code is following list of GL accounts separately, and this company code is GL account separately. See, both are here separate operation chart of accounts, so separate GL accounts. If this is the situation your client is having, then you require group chart of account code. You require group chart of account code. This group chart of account is used for consolidation purpose. How it will be used for consolidation purpose, I'll show you. The same group chart of account code, you have to assign it to operational chart of accounts. Operational chart of accounts of the company code. The company code సంబంధించిన ఆపరేషన్ చార్ట్ కూడా మ్యాప్ చేసుకుంటాం. Okay. Then later, please concentrate. I'll show you practically in SAP system also the same thing. Later, the same operation chart, the same group chart of account will be assigned to this company code's operation chart of accounts. Like this, understand, I have E-zone, okay, hometown, okay, lifestyle, different company codes are there. Okay, it's for the same example here, okay, PP01 and here PP02 or CA0, like the different chart of accounts are there, right? The same group chart of account code will be assigned to all the company codes of chart of accounts. See, if you ask someone, okay, someone here, group chart of accounts can be assigned directly to the company code. No, we are assigning the group chart of account to our operational chart of accounts of the company codes here. Okay, here we are assigning. Here, when you assign the group chart of account code to your operation chart of accounts, you know what will happen? What will happen? You know, while creating this GL code 200, 100, no, one additional field is called group account number. Field mandatory. Generally, it will not ask. See, while creating the GL master records, while creating the GL master record here, you will not see any group account number field. See, okay, are you able to see here any group account number field? No, right? No. Okay, here you can't see. But when you assign this group chart of account code to your operation chart of account, no, while creating this GL master record number, one group account number will be mandatory. Alantapudu, first thing, you have to create one group account number here for inventory, raw material account, so whatever it is. Okay, this is created under this chart of accounts. Z00 is there, right? Under this chart of account, okay, we can create this account number 200, 300. First step. Second step, go to this company code and create this GL master record. Okay, while creating this GL master record, no, the 200, 300 number is there, right? As group account number. That has to be connected to this account number. First step, this is 200, 300. Next, go to this company code and create the GL account. While creating this GL code, group account number field is mandatory in this GL code. Then whatever GL code you already created, no, that has to be mapped here. Same way, while creating this 200, 100, 200, no, in this company code, the same group account number, you have to give connection to this GL code. Because once this group chart of account is assigned in this your operation chart of account, group account number field is mandatory. You cannot go create GL account without filling the group account number in this particular GL account. And up to first step, okay, you have to create this GL code under this group chart of account. Under this group chart of accounts. Okay, as the result here, like this. Later, when I post the amount, no, 15,000 rupees amount. The 15,000 rupees amount in this company code to the GL account, we have to post it because they're all operational accounts. Always postings are made in this company code to the GL account. Then what will happen? The 15,000 rupees amount will be updated to this account, and as well as because of this mapping part, it will go to 200, 300 also. Same way, in another company code, when I post this amount to the GL code, to this GL code, the value will be updated to this account and as well as to this account. Now, if you want to prepare your financial statements individually, with this combination, you can get it. Here, with this combination, you can get it. If you want to see the consolidated value, these two combinations, you can get it. Group chart of accounts combinations. This is the way you require it. See here, what did I say? Basu, generally group chart of account concept is required, okay, for consolidation purpose. In which cases, where all the company codes under the same company following different operational chart of account, different operational chart of account. See here. Here following different operational chart of account. In this case only, group chart of account concept is required for getting the consolidation. But first option one, okay, have I used the group chart of account? No, right? Because they follow same operation chart of accounts. See, group chart of account concept is completely optional. In which case, all the company codes where they decided to follow single or same operational chart of accounts. Okay. Now this is the way it is. So note, in this instance, we require group chart of accounts for consolidation purpose. Whatever I have shown here, just mapping part, Excel lines, everything I'll show you practically in SAP system. Okay, no worries. Write down. Okay, well now it is clear, Mahesh, what is GL code and what I created here. Write down this.
Clear, sir.
GL account inventory purpose can create but consolidation like this you can create it.
Sir, ఇక్కడ అమౌంట్ ఉంది కదా, అది మనమే మెన్షన్ చేసుకోవాలా, ఆటోమేటిక్ గా అదే జనరేట్ అవుతుంది?
ఇన్వాయిస్ పోస్టింగ్ చేస్తారు. ఇక్కడ జస్ట్ డమ్మీ అమౌంట్ ఎంటర్ చేసింది డ్యూరింగ్ ది బిజినెస్. ఓకే, యూ డు పోస్ట్ డైలీ డేటెడ్ ఇన్వాయిసెస్ కదా, ఆ ఇన్వాయిస్ అమౌంట్స్ ఇది రఫ్ గా ఒక రౌండ్ ఫిగర్ అమౌంట్ ఎంటర్ చేశాను ఇక్కడ.
సార్ ఇది కోడ్స్ అనేది చేంజ్ అవుతాయా లేకపోతే
కోడ్స్? ఓకే ఓకే, కోడ్ మీన్స్ యూ కెన్ క్రియేట్ విత్ ఎనీ కోడ్. ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ నెక్స్ట్ అకౌంట్ గ్రూప్ లెవెల్లో వై వి ఆర్ ఫాలోయింగ్ హియర్ 2 సిరీస్ అకౌంట్స్ అన్ని చెప్తాం.
అంటే ఈ కోడ్స్ మనమే క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి?
ఎస్ ఎస్, యూజర్స్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు వాళ్ళకి జస్ట్ వచ్చి ఒక రేంజ్, ఒక వీడియో మెయింటైన్ వన్ రేంజ్ ఫర్ అసెట్స్ కి 2 lakh to 2,99,999. Then inventory account comes under asset account group. So any number between 2 lakh to 2,99,999 you can use it. In this instance, I have allocated this number. Okay, నీకు నీ మనోబాల్ దెబ్బతిని నాకు ఈ అకౌంట్ నెంబర్ వద్దన్నావు అనుకో, ఓకే నో ప్రాబ్లం, యూ ఎంటర్ దిస్ అకౌంట్. ఇక్కడ కాదు, SAP లో కూడా ఇక్కడ.
ఓకే,
Vasant, account means nothing but posting group, right?
Which one? Account group is nothing but list of similar GL accounts. Example.
No.
Okay.
No. What I'm asking is, this group chart of account means posting group, right?
No, it's not a group, a posting group. Okay, it is a separate chart of accounts for mapping the GL accounts for consolidation purpose. It is a separate chart of list of GL, separate list of GL codes. Separate list of GL codes which are used to connect all the chart of accounts under one umbrella. Group chart of account అది కూడా ఒక చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్. పర్పస్ ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ చూడు సపరేట్, హియర్ యూఆర్ ఫాలోయింగ్ సపరేట్ చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్స్, రైట్? కన్సాలేషన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్, వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్. అలాంటప్పుడు చూడు మ్యాపింగ్ ఇచ్చాను చూడు, ఇదే చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ గ్రూప్ చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్ కోడ్ ఈ ఆపరేషన్ చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్ కి ఈ ఆపరేషన్ చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్ కి కనెక్ట్ ఇచ్చాం. యాజ్ ది రిజల్ట్, while creating these operational GL accounts, group account number mandatory. That's why first you have to be ready with this group account number and go to this company code, and while creating this GL code, you have to give connection to this account number. Same way in this company code also you have to give the same connection group account number. So later postings are done at this GL account in this company code. This example amount of 15,000 rupees. When you post this 15,000 rupees amount or 20,000 rupees amount or whatever amount, right? the amount will be updated to this GL account in this company code, and as well as it will be updated here also. Same way, in this company code, if I post this amount to the GL account, it will be updated here in this company code, and as well as to this group account number. If you want to prepare individual financial statement with this combination, you can prepare it. If you want to prepare the consolidation financial statement with this combination, you can prepare it. For example, here Z00 and 200, 300, no example. And if I keep it blank here, no, the company codes, then execute it. Then what will happen? System will display both together, 25 plus 20, okay, 15. Okay, 40,000 rupees amount will be displayed it. See, this is how the group chart of account is used for consolidated purpose. Otherwise, if they decided to follow same, not required. But best practice is option 1. Across the globe, 90% people would follow this practice. Just but knowledge wise, learn it. Okay. In case my client has decided to follow different operation chart of accounts for their company codes in the group, how to connect, how to map it for consolidation purpose. From knowledge wise, understand. Otherwise, okay, not important. So please write down this example. Actually, there are some disadvantages if you follow this kind of mapping part. Best practice. Option 1 is always best practice. Write down please. I'll show you all these things. I'll show you in SAP system. Theoretically, first understand.
Hi, Vasan.
Yeah, please.
Vasan, Padan here.
Subhan Kana.
Yeah, can I ask the question? Yes, yes.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, actually, that's my question is in the option 1. Can you go? That is option 1. I will ask the question.
Okay.
Here is actually company is same and GL account is same. But you were telling us everything under this is COA is different. Company codes are different. How we get that correct amount in that?
See, Big Bazaar, Food Bazaar, like this, there are 2 company codes in this company. Okay, group. Okay, see, meanings also can mention like this here I mentioned it. This is called company code. So feature group, there are multiple company codes. Okay, example, Big Bazaar, Food Bazaar, Eazone, okay, hometown, like this. Here they decide COA means chart of accounts. Don't get confused. Chart of accounts. See, from here, okay, here onwards, I want you to be familiar this kind of short forms. I would write company code like this, CO code. Chart of accounts, I would write, okay, COA. COA means chart of accounts. Here, all the company codes in feature group decided to follow same operational chart of accounts. This is operational chart of account. Same operation chart of account. When they follow same operation chart of account, no, of course, okay, inventory accounts ki same GL code they would follow. Okay, station expenses ki they do follow same GL account. Okay, and next bank account ki same GL code. Okay, next rent account ki same GL code they would follow it in all the company codes. Then it is very easy here to prepare individual financial statements and to prepare consolidated financial statements. But in another case, here if you observe, okay, multiple company codes are then feature group, but they decided to follow separate operation chart of account. Big Bazaar has decided to follow separate list of GL accounts with XX00 code, and this company code decided to follow YY00 with separate list of GL accounts, and another company code Eazone, okay, PPA CA01 separate GL accounts, and hometown, okay, CA02 separate GL accounts. They do follow it. In this case, it is very difficult to prepare consolidated statement. Individual statement with this combination, okay, with this combination you can prepare it. But there is no any common combination here to get consolidation. That's why I told you in this instance we require group chart of account. The group chart of account is connected to your company codes operation chart of account, and here also company codes operation chart of account. As a result, when you assign the group chart of account code to your operation chart of account, while creating this GL code, in this company code, group account number field will be mandatory. Example, I will show you. So now this is JSWC company, right? Example. There is no any group account number field here now. Let me go back to this company code's operation chart of account and map the group chart of account code. Okay, let us see here. Okay, practical I will show you. Tomorrow anyway, I will show you. This is my operation chart of account to assign to my JSW company code. Here, let me put one example. Let me put one any existing code as my group chart of account code. Example. What map చేసుకోండి first. What example. I understand this is my group chart of account code. I have mapped it and assign it. Save it. Okay. Save it. When I save my when I assign the group chart of account code in my operation chart of account, the same thing is assigned to my company code, right? From now onwards, if I go and create GL master records, see, group account number field is mandate. In this case, for example, I want to create one more, administration expenses. See here, let me create administration expenses. So this is GL code, description here is administration expenses. Okay, so for example, I'm not going to enter. See here, it will not allow me to save GL account. I'll tell you why I'm selecting all these fields one by one. Okay, when I come to this GL part, here, if I try to save it now and try to save it, it will give message, error message. Boss, make an entry field. Group account number is mandatory because you followed here group chart of account. See here, I am not able to create GL account here. This is for administration expenses. I can't create it.
Yes.
Group account number is here mandatory. Why it's mandatory? You have assigned
two different chart of accounts. Am I correct?
Yes. Here we have assigned group chart of account code. Okay, example, same thing here. See, we have assigned group chart of account code here. So you cannot create the GL account without this. So that's why first what I'm saying is you have to be ready with this code 200-300 under this company. Then go to this company code GL account and map this code here. Otherwise, okay, for example, see, group chart of concept ledu, assume it's not there. Save it. If I go and create GL master record, no, earlier it is mandatory, right? Now, if you see, if you observe here, see, it is not there. It's gone. It will not be asked. That's why this mapping part I'll show you. Okay, one by one. Okay, when I come to SAP screen. Okay. So what you have to understand is group chart of account concept 2 is required. Only the case where the company codes under the same company decided to follow separate operation chart of accounts. See, this company code is following separate operation chart of account. This company code is following separate operation chart of account. Then only we require group chart of accounts. Otherwise, group chart of concept not at all required.
Not required.
Okay, please write down in case if you haven't noted down. So please take print screen and paste it in your Word document, and you can leave for the day and you can write down in your notes. Okay, now I'm getting late to another batch. Okay, so please take the print screen quickly. In case if you haven't noted down, open a Word document, paste it over there, save it. After you log off, you please write down this example in your notes without fail. Now I cannot wait until you write down each and every point here because okay, it's late, it got delayed. Okay, that's it. So still, okay, I need to get confirmation from many people. Okay, so please understand and clear the first term use today and send me the screenshot and make sure you got material and you are added in the group today. Okay, take it seriously. I have already shared the account details and phone pay details in the email. So please check and do it. Thank you all. Hope you have taken the print screen. You know, right, I will take the print screen in your laptop. Just click on the print screen button, otherwise Control Alt print screen. So then we can leave. Chala, bye bye. See you tomorrow. Don't miss the classes and arrange the SAP access as early as possible. If anyone needs help, let me know. I will help you to get SAP access online or offline. Bye bye.